How to customize a Wix Studio template for your brand. So I have in here this tech website template, and if I want to actually customize it, what I can do is I can utilize this bars right here. So for example, first things first, you need to remove the actual logo on the template onto the header. You can just head over and click onto the logo right here and then edit out the text as well as the logo that we have affiliated with this vector art. So let's remove that by just clicking on this delete option onto your keyboard and then click onto this plus icon in order to add an element. Now for this, just click on image and then let's add in here our own logo. Just head over and click on this image option. So I have added the image template right here. What you can do is you can just head over and then click onto that and click on this change image option. Now, once you have clicked on it, you can just upload in here a media that you want to use as your logo. So let's click on this upload media and then let's upload from my computer. Now, once we have done this, we can just head over right here to our pictures and then find the logo from in here. Let's add this right here for example, fall only. Now, as you can see, this will upload it and just wait for this to finish uploading. And then once it's finished, you can head over and click on the update option. Once it's been clicked, this will change the logo. Now you can just head over and then add some more of your brand, like your brand colors, your brand name, as well as a lot of things, and customize it thoroughly. So that's how you customize the Wix Studio template for your brand. Hope you help.